Dear students, yesterday we have discussed about how to write onto a file. Today we are going to discuss about how to append an existing file. I am opening the program which we have done yesterday. So this program reads a file. So we declare fp file pointer and we declare a character. We open the file in W mode and then we read the characters from the user and then we write it onto the file. F put C comma fp is the file pointer, and then again we close the file, we open the file with the read mode to read the content of the file and print it on the screen. Now I am executing the file. Yes. Now we are going to give some text that is going to be stored onto the file, and then again it reads from the file, it writes onto the file and it reads again and it is going to print here, right? We write hello world. When we press dot, it is going to end. Yes. So now it has written hello world dot into the file, right? We'll check with the file that does the file exist. File name is data.txt. We open the data.txt. Yes, so now it is 1446, set in 1446. Now it is written. So we are going to open hello, HE capital and ALLO dot world, right? So now we are going to append this existing file. So this file, it is created through the first program. Now we are going to append this file using the coding, right? I'm going to close it. Okay. I'm going to execute the file. I'll show you how it works. We'll open, this is the another file, another program where we are going to append, right? Okay. So in this program, I'll open that in Notepad so that it will be clear for you. This is stored in sample file. Okay, I am opening here. Okay, in this coding, we have created the same way. We have created file pointer fp, character c is equal to empty space, and then we print the content before appending, right? So opening the file fp data.txt in R mode, read mode, and then if not file end of file, we are going to print it on the screen. Printf c is equal to get c of fp. This is reading from the file and printing on the screen. So already existing content will be printed here. We are closing the file and opening again the file with the append mode. A is append mode. And then yes, if file does not exist, we are going to say file cannot be appended and we exit. Else we are going to read the content from the user. So enter the string to be appended until the dot, right? So again here we go with an while loop, c not equal to dot. We are going to read it from the screen, c is equal to get che, and we are going to put it on the file through the file pointer f put c comma fp. C is the character, fp is the file pointer, and we close the file. Again we are going to read the content after appending, right? So fp is equal to open fopen data.txt in write mode. So previously while we are appending, we open in A mode, A, here it is read mode, R, right? So again, while file eof, it's a function which is going to return the file end of file, eof, and until it gets eof, it is going to print here on the screen. %C get C FP. So FP is the file pointer, reading from the file pointer, and we are going to print. That is reading from the file and printing on the screen, right? Okay. Now we'll execute the program. Yes, file sample. I'm going to execute this. So here it reads from the file data.txt and it asks for appending. See here, hello world, content before appending hello world. Enter the strings to be appended. See you tomorrow. And we give dot. Now the file, the content of the file after appending hello world dot see you tomorrow, right? So it reads, it appends already existing file data.txt with hello world, and then see you tomorrow is the new text we have given. It is going to appended at the end of the file, right? So it again reads from the file. I am going to show you how it appended in the file. So we open the notepad, we open again data.txt. Yes, see here, hello world, see you tomorrow. I hope this is easy to understand. We'll see you tomorrow. Thank you.